Meet Rob, running his graphic design firm. As the work-from-home trend started to pick up, he was looking to provide his employees working from their home and remote location access to all the graphic files, including Adobe Photoshop files, stored on premises. For this, he allowed a VPN connection that runs on the internet. However, he soon realized that local networks have huge advantages over the internet, which offer a lot less bandwidth and have a relatively high and fluctuating latency. There are always high chances of data getting corrupted. Employees constantly complained about slow directory browsing due to significant latency, slow copying speed from the remote location. Even files were taking a lot of time to open on home or remote computers. He thought of using 100% cloud-based solutions, but later dropped the idea due to the massive data size on the file server and the lengthy migration time. Even recreating folder permissions after the migration was a big headache. Rob was looking for a better and more stable solution when he came to know about our mobile file server access solution. It solves all file server remote access problems by providing secure data access, sharing, and synchronization without re-engineering the workflow or increasing costs. We helped Rob maintain the file server in its current state and added a mobile file accessing solution on top of it. Together, they helped eliminate all the limitations of using VPN while improving work-from-home user experience and maintaining the existing folder permissions. It is now your turn to enjoy a high amount of download bandwidth, low and stable latency, and very little packet loss, and almost no data corruption. To learn how we can help you save time, money, and increase your remote workers' productivity, book a demo today.